What's the meaning of agrarian revolution? Agrarian revolution. Agrarian revolution. Agrarian revolution. Agrarian revolution. Agrarian revolution. The agrarian revolution refers to the period in history when agriculture was transformed from traditional methods to modern techniques and machines. This revolution was characterized by advancements in technology, including the development of machinery and the use of fertilizers and pesticides. As a result, crop yields improved, leading to increased food production. The agrarian revolution helped to bring about significant changes in society, such as the growth of population, the rise of cities and the expansion of trade. It is considered a crucial period in human history that laid the foundation for the modern world.